Hello everyone, I am Jaideep Singh Chahal. So today we are going to do another something new. So this is going to be the interesting vehicle build video series. So I've had a lot of friends asking that we should start covering the process, that we undertake to prepare a vehicle. So nothing better to start off with a 2003-4 LC100. This is a Euro spec model. We'll cover the vehicle in detail. There's already a lot of work that has been done on it. So we had been waiting for this LED Deluxe Series Ironman Bullbar for a while, which just got delivered yesterday, thanks to Zach. So this is going on today. So I thought we'll do a step-by-step process. We're still learning how to merge videos and all, so please bear with us. But we've got the stuff unpacked. We've got the Bullbar. This is the latest Deluxe Series Bullbar. This is the winch plate or the winch bracket. This is what is going to take all the load. This is going to bolt on directly to the frame, and this is a no nonsense vehicle, and the structuring is such that it can take a lot of load, a lot of impact. The suspension is already designed according to the additional load that this bull bar is going to put. This is going to be at least 75 to 80 kgs, and if you can come close real quick, I'll show you. This is the DRL with the turn signal as well. This is an LED, and the best part is this is the new 4-inch Ironman LED fog lamp kit. So the fog lamp kit will come with its own complete wiring harness and a vehicle specific switch. That is the beauty of buying genuine parts, and this will be a no splicing job, and it will be a direct bolt on the entire thing. So what we'll do is we'll keep recording the steps as we go about it, and hopefully it comes out to be a nice full process for people who want to understand how and where a bull bar fits. The correct one, not this is a textbook bull bar install, and it is not a jugaad where you fit whatever wherever. So it'll be good to see how the main loading and stress points are already provided by the manufacturer in order to accommodate a bull bar. And I believe that's it. We'll keep recording and updating you. Thank you. To the install, and the stock bumper and the front crash member is off. While we are at it, we are taking off the intercooler. This is a turbo diesel 4.2 engine. So that was pretty choked up. So we're getting that cleaned as well while we're at it, because that any which ways needs the bumper to be taken off while you clean it out. So that will happen. There's a lot of unnecessary wiring that is there that we're taking off, and I'll show you how we've organized all the hardware. This comes in a packet, and we've organized it so that we don't miss out on any washers or any spaces that are with the kit. So this makes the job a little easy. These are the adapter plates. This is the Australian number plate adapter that won't be required here. So all this hardware is going to go on in the next 1 hour, and I will keep updating you with the progress. So now we are almost through with the main bits. I'll show you the major stuff that has happened. This bit is going to be slightly visible under the bumper. So we've painted that black to match. Same on the other side. And this is the main support structure. This is called the winch tray. Uh, this has been installed. This is going to take all the main load. 1, 2 and 3 big bolts on each side going directly on the ladder frame. So those have been installed. The stock rhino hook has been retained, and the interesting bit that you can see is this. You can see the perforated bit here. This is basically the crumple zone. In case of a crash, This bit is going to compact, but it won't let the frame get bent. So that is the kind of difference you will observe when you buy genuine or researched and you know international standard stuff. This flatbed with 4 holes is the winch tray. This is where the winch will sit. These are generally a universal fit. All winches from 8 to 13,000 pounds should fit in the same fitment, and the fair lead or the hose will go in the bull bar. Mm, that's about it. We've retained the other towing point on the other side. It's been painted black. We've covered up most of the stuff. And these holes that you can see on either side, there's 3 on each side. These 6 are going to take the actual load. The bull bar is going to go on this, and we'll be bolting 3 bolts on each side. And that is a fairly quick job. We'll be doing that right now, and we'll try to record that as well. So finally we are done. That was in and out 2.5 hours almost, and the bull bar is all installed. It was nicely leveled. You can see like some vehicles, the bull bars, they really complement the vehicle, and I think this is one of those. It's looking massive, and I think this is my one of my favorite installs so far. Uh, I saved this for the camera. We'll peel off the Ironman thing on video. So there you go. That's a brand new bull bar right there. So we'll get a fresh number plate, and that's the outlet for your winch. This is your inlet for the clutch, and we'll be wiring the DRLs and the turn signals and the fog lamps now. Uh, so this bull bar, this is the deluxe model. This comes with 2 mounts at each end, generally for a fishing rod attachment, antenna attachment. This is where the CB antenna will be going, and other than that, the lines that I want to show, like this is where a well-designed product comes in. So the lines are beautiful. The gap is perfect. It of course it is made for the vehicle, but it really complements the the LC100. Like some vehicles, they look okayish with the bull bar, but some they really pop once the bull bar is installed. And I think this was a very successful project so far. Otherwise, this vehicle has tons of upgrades. We'll be covering that in a separate video. And there's something interesting on my side. Uh, Too tired to do a video on that today, but very soon. A lot of upgrades on this one as well. And of course, to qualify, it's got the BFGs and Black Rhino wheels. That's just a little overview. This is a 2023 Defender. Dilsher has just picked it. We'll share all the details later on. Another video on that for sure, and another video on this one, covering all the details, the lift kit and everything. And yes, that's another contender for a video. That's probably the most practical SUV or 4x4 in today's day for overlanding. That's a Gen 1 Fortuner prepared the way we would want it to be. So actually we're surrounded by 3 vehicles that deserve a video. So we'll be doing that very soon. Thank you.